I really appreciate your kindness. Oh guys, let's continue now our remarks, our reviews, and what we can say about the movie. Okay, hold on. So before we start, thank you. Shout out po kay Madam. Name po ulit.
Lani Marceliana po.
May shout out po kayo.
Shoutout ko sa taga-office.
Okay. Thank you. Ano masasabi niyo sa movie?
Ganda.
Bakit maganda? Ha? Ikaw, ano masabi mo sa movie?
Maganda.
Bakit? Ba't ka nagandahan? Ano nagustuhan mo doon? Ha? Saan ka nagandahan doon? Okay. Balikan kita. Guys, before we proceed on the next, Kuya, shout out.
Hello,
Pakilala po kayo.
I'm Bax from Bichara Silver Screen.
Invite nyo po sila manood dito.
Invite po, manood kayo dito, movie.
Okay. How about you? What can you say about the movie?
It's perfect. Para sa mga bata talaga, pero hindi lang sa mga bata, para din sa mga gaya sa amin. Nakakapag-relax ng isip at katawan.
So baka may masabi ka pa, babalikan kita. And how about you? What can you say about the movie?
Ay, nakakatuwa.
Because?
Yung si Garfield at saka yung si Garfield yung tatay niya.
Please louder your voice. Louder your voice. So, say it again.
Nakakatuwa nga at saka nakakaibang
Mm.
yung movie. Para sa bata talagang ganda.
Mm.
Pati yung apo nga gusto ko siya. Gusto niya lang.
Mm. So, how about you? What can you say about the movie?
So funny.
And then?
And then, yung kasama niya.
Moral lesson din.
Moral lesson.
What's all about the moral lessons?
Ito mas mahal din at saka mo.
Iniwan,
Please louder your voice.
iniwan siya ni tatay ni Garfield. Tapos, si Garfield naman, pupunta po akong lalaki na sa restaurant. Tapos, nagkita sila. Tapos, nagpatawad sila sa isa't isa.
Kinento mo na. Spoiler alert ka talaga. So, how about you? What can you say about the movie?
Ito rin. At saka yung baka na magkasinta nagkabalikan. Huwag pala dapat sabihin.
Ayan, spoiler alert. Guys, huwag pasensya nyo na.
Nakakatawa kasi
Who else? And then, how about you? What can you say about the movie?
It was great, very child friendly, and I wasn't really interested at first.
Louder your voice.
I wasn't really interested at first, but eventually, I got really touched by the movie, and I learned a lot from it. One of the things that I've learned is that you can never judge anyone, especially if you don't know the whole story, and it really touched me because sometimes I also long for a fatherly love, but I'm contented right now. Disclaimer, but overall it was really good and worth it to watch, especially for kids.
Yes.
That's all.
I know you can say something about it. So think more other scenes that captures your heart. But before that, I'm gonna also say my remarks. Okay, hold on. So please hold this one. Please hold this one for me. Make sure that everyone here captures the camera, okay? So guys and girls, you know what? I supposed not to watch this. Are they seeing in the camera?
Yes.
I wasn't supposed to watch Garfield movie because as far as I know, this is some kind of a kids movie, but time doesn't permit us to watch the Furiosa. That could be my second time to watch Furiosa, but since the time is running, so we decided few minutes to go. I think I'm gonna try myself for the Garfield movie, but guys and girls, Garfield didn't fail me at all. 101%, 101%. I love the entire movie. You know what? Very funny, entertaining, hilarious. I keep on laughing, and even though this is a kids movie, there are some scenes which makes me get scared, and I'm shouted at the top of my lungs, just like this. Ah! Something that effect. So I feel great. I feel overwhelmed, and I've got all my hang-ups on this day, and I love the cinematography. The trees, the forests are being like real, and I love the antagonist. I forgot who played the one, but when she laughs, I remember the octopus woman on
Little
the
Mermaid.
Little Mermaid, and I love the way she laughs. But actually, guys, not that kind of laugh. But I really love the way she laughs, and there are lots of moral story, guys and girls, especially loving yourself and giving chances to other who turn back on you. And what else are the moral lessons? The way how you love someone and then you make time for it to find them. I really appreciate the character of that particular person. He's been looking for Garfield, and he's been looking for in other town, and then he looks like hell. So I really appreciate how he have time to look for Garfield. And I also love the chasing scenes. That's the scenes that I've been looking for a movie. I don't know, especially on the climax. I want that like a mouse and cat hunt. But they are cats. But what I'm trying to say is, I like the way when the climax started and then the chasings with the villains and the antagonists. I like the way they make it hard, and then upon thinking that I think this could be the last scenes, but it's not, so very unpredictable, and there are some surprise elements. So I really love the entire movie. Garfield, thank you so much because you didn't fail me with your masterpiece, and I love the voices of Samuel L. Jackson and Chris Pratt, and what else? I love the sound effects, guys and girls, because it's some kind of 2D max. This is 2D max. And what else should I say about the movie? I think I'm gonna be back for you, so we'll catch up again. But before that, so let's proceed to other moviegoers who watch this. Okay, guys, do you still have any more to add about the movie? Anong nagustuhan mo sa...
Ganda yung mga yung mga props, camera trick, tapos mga...
Hold on, guys and girls, I heard something. Look, Kuya is watching my vlog. Sige, it's okay, Kuya. Naiya si Kuya. Okay, we'll be right back for you. And so, where did we stop?
Yung mga yung sa camera trick, mga places, tapos yung kung paano sila mga
What's your... Oh, sige, continue.
yung mga kakaiba yung mga nila. Maganda. Maganda talaga.
How about you? Anong re-recall mo sa movie na gustong-gusto mong eksena?
Ano gusto mo yung scene nila?
Anong natatandaan mong eksena sa movie na gustong-gusto mo?
Yung nag-cook siya.
Nag-cook na?
Pagkain.
So you love eating?
Yung mga, yung sa parang factory ng Quezon na.
Yeah. How about you?
Yung nakatali sila mag-ama, doon niya nalaman ang iniwan siya ng tatay niya. Yung kana ni girlfriend, iniwan siya. Yung magandang ano.
Mm-mm.
Doon sila nagkaliwanagan.
Mm-mm.
Liwanag yung father niya kung ano
Mm.
nangyari. So yun.
Mm-mm. Hold on, guys. So, guys, look at Kuya. He's watching my videos on Facebook. Thank you, Kuya, ha, for the support. So, how about you? May naisip ka na ba? Anong nagustuhan? What do you really like on the movie, especially those memorable scenes?
For some, it might not be a memorable scene, but for me, it was the scene where the owner kept on looking for